So in order to open up your specific version, you need to navigate to that folder if you have multiple versions. This is only if you have multiple versions of Unity. So I do, so I'm going to open up the computer and go into the C drive and program files and then find my specific Unity application that I want, and then go into that editor and double click on the unity.exe file. That .exe is an executable file. This will open up Unity in 2017.1.1, and then I can create a new project and associate that project. Let me just call it project here. Please, if you're making something for class, make sure your name is here. In fact, I'll just do it because if I don't show you, so you want to make sure your name is on your project. And I'm just going to call it that. And then I'm going to select these little dots and find that folder that has my project and select that folder and create a project. Now, one thing I didn't do right there is I left it at defaulted at a 3D application. And in this class, we're going to mainly work in two-dimensional. So just remember that if you should make it at the default 3D, you can change this within Unity itself. But just try to remember to hit that 2D.